Mumbaikas. This is Vanshika Bansal, your host for today, and you are watching Address of Choice. Address of Choice is a channel that provides you with explanatory videos of different properties in different cities to give you the overview of your dream home or dream office, as we cover properties which are residential, commercial or retail. So, till now we have covered many projects in different cities like Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, and there are still many more to come. So do stay tuned for that. Well. Today we are at the Dosti West County Township, which is the project by Dosti Realty Limited. Well, in this video I am going to explain to you about a Dosti Nest, which is a part of the township of Dosti West County. Dosti Realty Limited has been in the business since 4 decades. It has delivered 129 plus projects till now. Well, let's take a look at what Dosti Nest has to provide to us. So let's go. Well, as I mentioned you, Dosti Nest is a part of the whole township, which is Dosti West County. Dosti West County is built on 100 acres of ground, wherein Dosti Nest is a part of 6 acres of the land. So, if I talk about the formation and elevation of Dosti Nest, then you will get ground plus 3 levels of podium parking, and on the 4th floor, all your amenities which are very luxurious and exclusive are there, and from 5th floor, habitable floor starts, which goes up till 33 stories. So yeah, also let me tell you, Dosti Nest and the whole township is situated at the most perfect location, that is Balkund, Thane West. And if I speak about the connectivity and locality that this project has to provide, then Thane station is only 4 kilometers away, that is 10 minutes away. Eastern Express Highway is 2 minutes away. Balkund Metro Station, which is upcoming and proposed station, is 2 minutes away. CP Goenka and Singhania High School is 5 minutes away. Viviana Mall and High Street Mall is also 5 minutes away. Jupiter and Bethany Hospital is also under the proximity of 5 minutes. Grand Central Park, which is going to share the walls with the Dosti Township, is also there. Let me tell you, this project is best as per the connectivity wise, as it is situated at the perfect location, giving you the proximity of hospital, educational institutes and entertainment hubs. Dosti Nest is also going to provide you with ground level high-end retail shops to cover all your daily necessities. Also, as I told you, Dosti Nest is just a part of Dosti West County. There is also the other part, which is Dosti Tulip, and over here is the 3D model of that. I have already covered the video for that, so you can check it over here. If I speak about the amenities which Dosti Nest is going to provide you, let me tell you, they are exclusive and luxurious. As I told you, it's on the 4th floor. You can see it in the 3D model. You will be provided with the separate clubhouse, amphitheater, swimming pool for toddlers, party lawn area, jogging path, outdoor gymnasium, library, cafeteria and many more. Now let's take a look at the 1 BHK apartment of Dosti Nest, which is of the size 458 carpet area. Before that, let me tell you, in Dosti Nest, all the apartments are of 1 BHK only. So let's go. As soon as you enter the apartment, you will find the spacious living and dining area. You can see how well designed it is. Also, the major USP is that it comes along with the deck. It will provide you with the mesmerizing view of Thane Creek and city view according to your facing. Now, moving ahead, over here is the common bathroom of the flat. All the sanitary fittings will be provided by the builder. This is the kitchen of the flat. As you can see, zero wastage is done in this flat, and it is designed very uniquely and creatively. So this is the platform. Over here you can do your cooking, and this can be your serving counter. You will also have the provision for your refrigerator and washing machine. For the ventilation services also, you will have this window, as you can see. Moving ahead, this is the bedroom of the flat. The bedroom is very spacious, and it again comes along with the attached washroom. All the sanitary fittings will be provided by the builder. There is also the availability of half French window. From here you can have your daily dose of sunlight and fresh air. The size of the apartment in Dosti Nest ranges from 288 to 458 carpet area, with the starting price of 48.45 lakhs all inclusive. Also, the possession date as per RERA for this apartment is June 2027. Well, that was it from our side about this wonderful property of Dosti Nest. I hope you liked this video and I was able to explain it to you very well. In this video, we covered USP, Dosti Group, amenities, connectivity and sample flat of 1 BHK. So if you still have any doubt or any query, you can call on the number which is mentioned in the description link or on screen. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.